All right, guys, so I want to just do a quick recap of everything that we got at Sam's Club. I'm going to do a, what is it called? Like a restock video. So instead of doing a Sunday reset, which I was supposed to do, it's Monday. So it's just whenever you get the day, the time, it's okay. So don't stress about it. It's Monday. We're still, the beginning of the week. So this is what we ended up getting. I do have some stuff in my fridge that are already cleaned out, but I'm gonna get that out after. But right now, I'm just gonna show you guys what we ended up getting, which I'll start with, I guess, snacks. So for me, I got the Greek yogurt bars. These are 12. They have 6 strawberries, 6 vanilla. They have 9 grams protein. And then only 140 calories. This boba I share with my husband. It's just like instant boba. It's actually pretty good. I like it. And instead of paying like $5, $6 for one boba, you save money because this is only like $15 or something like that. Then the protein chips we share as well. And this one is 4 grams carbs, 13 protein, 4 grams fiber. So I really do like that. And I think they're only, how many calories? I don't even recall, but it's actually really, really good. It fits into my macros really, really good. And then my favorite is nacho cheese. If you guys do get it, this is my favorite. We're gonna end up getting from Amazon the all nacho cheese boxes because we don't really like the other ones. The Dave's bread, that is for like quick sandwiches, quick snacks. If I don't want to cook. Then we have the organic dark roast, which is a really good price. It's $30 for 100 of them. So 100 of them last me a very long time. I'm barely like finishing up the ones that I have because I'm not really a big coffee drinker. This one is the organic maple syrup. My husband and my son love like stuff with it, like pancakes or waffles and stuff, and like French toast, but they don't really like honey with it. I love honey, so I'm okay with it, but my son likes syrup. And I still have one, but they ended up leaving it outside plenty of times, so I just don't want to, test that. And then I got brown sugar, light brown sugar, premium cane sugar, gluten-free, and then it's 7 pounds. Then we go on to the snacks that are for my husband and for my son. These I don't eat at all, guys. Like, actually, I don't really eat them, so it's just strictly for them. I can't eat them, and I just don't really like them, to be honest. I'm not like a sweet kind of person. Like, I don't really like stuff like this, only like time to time, or like when I'm depressed or something like that, then I binge eat on it. But I'm not really a person that craves stuff like this. So hold on, let me turn on the light. There we go, light. Okay, so then we get the 2 bags, the red berries, Special K. My son loves this. The Eggos Homestyle, 60 of them. That lasts a very long time. I normally don't always give him that. I try to give him like eggs, bacon, and making like burritos, or like, these waffles are from time to time. So they're not everyday thing. I don't like giving him these kind of things every single day. Also, we got these Rice Krispie treats. Size is 25, large size bars. I don't know why I guess he got the original ones. There was like the 40 count, but I don't know why he didn't end up getting those. They love sweets, but I just try not to, I try to be on it because my son will just grab them since they're there, and I'm like, no, you have to ask me. The Go-Gurt 32. I did end up getting was it Greek yogurt? I don't remember, the ones with like little Oreos and stuff like that at the Chobani ones, and those did great, but there's some of them that he doesn't like, so it kind of end up being a waste. They don't really prefer those, so these are okay. They're just for little snacks as I'm cooking. These macaroni and cheese are for them also. And these are also like a quick snack whenever they're starving and I'm running late on, either I haven't meal prepped or I haven't cooked. So these are just like fillers. chow mein. My son loves these, but these are so packed with sodium, and I think they're like 600 calories for one. So when I eat them, that literally takes up like, I don't know, 1/3, half of my my calories for my day, which right now I'm in a deficit, so that is not good. What else? Oh, chunk like tunas for a quick meal for me to stay on my protein, and just something really quick. Then I got the greens blends. I still have some, but I just don't want to end up with none, and then I have to go again. But anyways, I'm gonna have to go again tomorrow because they didn't have eggs, so that sucked. Then these mini peppers, the protein, I still have some, but again, I just wanted to stock up. Chocolate milk, I don't really give my son this, but it's okay. Like every now and then he does like a little bit of sweet. He got that from his daddy, so it's all right. It's like, as long as like I'm not feeding him all of this microwavable, stuff like sugar all day. Like I've noticed that there should be a balance, just because he is his father's child. So, I don't like these things. These things, you're not going to see me touch this a lot. So, mostly these things and these healthier stuff. And if I meal prep salmon, oh, I love salmon. Okay, so then what else? Baby Swiss cheese. This lasts a very long time, guys. 42 slices. Oven roasted turkey breast. This is the better version that they have from, they have the other ones, but it's like double the amount, but it's just not, no. This is 98% fat-free, made with whole turkey breast. It is a little bit more on the pricier side. I think like $10, $9, I don't know. And then the other one's like $10 for twice as much. Apples, I'm gonna make it a point to cut them up today, half of them, because I just can't, guys. I threw away so much stuff. I always throw away so much stuff. I said I'm gonna stop. So orange juice for breakfast, bananas, tomatoes, these blackberries. These are my favorite for my protein shake, because I do not like this protein shake. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a sweet kind of person, and it just tastes like vanilla, and it just kind of makes me want to throw up. So, and then I put a lot of protein, not protein, well, yeah, I put protein, well, anyways, you guys know what I put on it, but it's just so many things on there that I need these to kind of give it more of a natural, healthier taste. Greek yogurt, I do end up putting this into my shake. I normally use the Phage. Is it the Phage? Yeah. But this one's fine too. This one's 18 grams protein for 3/4 cups. So I grabbed 2 because this only ends up lasting me about 5 days. So, well, this one says 7 servings. So if I share it with my husband, sometimes he has shakes. So we need 2 avocados. Guys, I just threw a whole bunch of them. I felt so bad. So I only ended up getting 1 bag of avocados. As you guys can see, I still have 2 bags of them in there from last shopping. Yeah, so this one, organic ground beef, grass-fed, 85% lean. So I grabbed this one, spring mix, making it a point to cut my carbs when I am not doing leg day right after. So I'm just gonna work my carbs around my workouts and then try to stay off carbs, because we're hopefully going somewhere on my birthday. I'll tell you guys after, but I'm not too sure. We're not positive just yet. So baby spinach, yes, love this. We can do that with eggs or just put it in my shake. That's great. What else? Salmon. I love a salmon, guys. This literally only lasts me I would say it lasts about 2 days. I just love it. I love salmon, but it is a little bit more on the pricier side. I ended up getting the smallest one, $25. They range about $25 to $35, only because I do have other turkey that I haven't used in my fridge, and I want to use that up. And we did end up getting other meat as well. And then this one is beef. My husband likes beef. This one's 16 bucks. It's not too bad. And then the chicken, 16 bucks as well. These I'm going to separate today into different, like probably I'm going to do half and then half like in Ziploc bags. And then the salmon, I'm going to cook it all, meal prep that, and then probably meal prep some chicken. And then, yeah, oh, and we got milk, reduced fat milk. And then I ended up getting these. These are lifesaver, guys. I know the waste, but I think these are recyclable. Or is it not? Recyclable if clean and dry. I don't know what this means, but I'm going to do my research. But either way, these are lifesavers, guys. If you are working or if you're just trying to get stuff done and you don't want to do any dishes and, you know, just, I don't know, just removes a lot of stress in your life. So these are great. Love these. I had to restock up on these too. And I think that's it. Oh, I ended up getting this rotisserie chicken because I just want something quick for today as I'm going to be making this video. But yeah, this is the overview of everything that we got. This was the haul. And of course, Coiley's right here. Hey, Coy. What are you doing, Coy? He's just inspecting what we ended up getting. So this is it, guys. And then I'm going to show you guys the fridge and how it's looking and what I have left of the pantry in the fridge. And we're just going to organize it, put it in bins, put it in plastic containers, organizers. It's going to look fantastic. But this is the overview. Oh, and I was super excited because when we ended up paying, the receipt ended up showing that it was a total of $444, and that's like open doors of heaven. Like, it's just an angelic number. It's just coily. It's a beautiful number. So I was super excited. It's just God telling me like, hey, you're on track, you're good, you know, because yeah, it was just great. I love that number, and it was just confirmation. But anyways, I love you guys, and God bless you. Let's keep going. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this, like, after I do the cleaning, but we'll see when I edit it. But Coily, get off. He's the inspector. Inspector Coily, get off, Coy. Hey, Coily, get down. Guys, oh my God. Get down, Coy. Get off the food. Bad boy. No, you fat boy. He's a fat boy. Don't do that. All right, so that's it, guys. Yep, a little overview again. And then this is what you can get nowadays with $444. I didn't even get eggs, and I only got one thing of milk. It's all right, guys. But we got some really good goodies, and most importantly is that I got my snacks. They got their snacks. I got food to meal prep, and oh, water. Where's water? I ended up getting these waters right here. I got 3 of them. And then I ended up getting these juices for my son. Yep, and that's about it, guys. So water is crucial. We got 3 packs of 40. And that's really all we drink in this house. And milk and Hi guys! Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go because I just want you guys to listen to the music. I have the robot vacuum going on in the background, so I don't want to talk. Anyways, bye. I love you guys. God bless you. Okay, so I will tell you guys one thing though. It is subscribe. I love you guys so much. And I know I normally talk a lot, but I just want you guys to enjoy the music. It is so beautiful and generally it just makes me so happy. You know, I got the robot vacuum going. I have the refrigerator, everything going on. And then I have the video with you guys where I'm editing for you guys. Like, today was just a great day. I can't be mad at God. Like, I love Jesus. So thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget, subscribe and like. I'm sorry I didn't talk today so much, but some of you guys may like that. So anyways, I love you. God bless you. And have an amazing day. All right, guys, so here we are. It still looks like a mess outside. I gotta do a deep clean of this, but I'm not gonna do it today because I feel like I've done a lot today. I still have to do the other section, which is the breakfast bar. So it's just a lot in the pantry. So this is how it ended up being. I have here all the milks, the almond milk, the regular milk, love that milk. And this is my salad, which is highly important to keep up here because I normally like end up throwing it, and I'm making it a point to eat it. Then the orange juice for breakfast. Salmon is meal prep for tomorrow. Tomatoes, bell peppers, 15 gram, protein, 15 grams protein. And then I have the 000 yogurts. So that's great, amazing. These are mine. These are my son's. Yogurt. Again, yogurt, non-fat plain Greek yogurt, which has 18 grams of protein. That is also amazing. So that is for my diet as well. And yes, I call it a diet because I am on a diet. I'm a deficit right now, so it's okay. But either way, I'm still gonna eat that when I'm not on a diet. So it's just gonna be my healthy habits. Now, lemons, avocado, and onions. And then we have here, which is like the cheese, ham, bacon, etc. And then we have apples and cucumbers. And then we have the asparagus and an onion. And then these are all some random stuff. And then I'm kind of like yelling because there is a show behind in the background. You guys know we get copyrighted. So here we are yelling. And then we got the turkey, the pistachio ice cream that I have not eaten in over a week. Then I got all of these, which is all the beef and all the chicken on that side, which is already moved out. All the snack, which is boba. Low calorie, which is the healthy choice fudge bars. And then the Greek yogurt cloud. Is it cloud chow? I don't know. Cheesecake, imposter. These are ice creams that are Greek yogurt that have 9 grams protein. Then the broccoli, the wonton wrappers. These are the spinach for the shakes, ice, and waffles. So guys, this is the way that it looks. It is amazing. It has been organized and I'm just super excited. The whole fridge is just absolutely organized. Now we go to the breakfast bar. Any future wives in the house?